What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and thanks for tuning in again. I just want to take a second and show some gratitude for all my subscribers. We finally hit 500 subscribers on the channel. I just want you guys to know how grateful I am for that. It is an unbelievable journey for me, and even though it's 500, and while most people do not think that's very much, for me it is, and I'm so grateful to have hit this point. It does mean a lot every time anybody likes my videos, comments on the videos. I always get excited when I see comments and I'm able to respond and connect and actually just engage with the community. For me, that is what this is all about, is just enjoying cars, being around people, and just in general providing some type of value. That's my goal with this channel, is to provide some type of value. And to me, even if I help one person get through a DIY or give one person that inspiration to do something or modify something on their car, my job's done in my eyes. Ultimately, that's really why I started doing the YouTube channel. Is I saw a lot of questions that I had that I didn't feel like got answered in a lot of videos. And I just thought, you know, I bet I could do this and really just break the explanation down to just a bare minimum so that really anybody could come in, watch the video, understand how it works, and be able to do it on their own car. And for me, that's what I try to express every single time I make a video, is I want to make it as simple, as easy to follow as possible, while also hopefully providing some inspiration for people in their cars and their builds. Ultimately, cars for me, as I know a lot of people, is a way to express themselves. So just for the fact that you guys are all subscribing to the channel, liking the videos and everything, it just really just means so much to me, and I'm so grateful for every single person that does subscribe. Now, there is one special recognition that I would like to make, and that would be for the guys over at EuroMpire. Partnering with them has been extremely vital to where I've gotten today. I would not be here if it wasn't for the help of Matt and his team. They've done such a great job of being able to support me and always be there for me anytime I needed help, whether it was for a DIY project or whether it was for doing a difficult install that I was just totally clueless about. Whether it was this car, my previous car, any of my friend's car, they've always been a helping hand and they've supported me from the very beginning. So definitely a huge shout out to them for everything that they've done. They work on pretty much anything European. So their specialty is BMW, but they work on Audi, Mercedes, pretty much anything you can think of that's a European car, they can probably help you out. Their technicians are some of the most skilled, intelligent, and just overall great, kind people that I think I've ever met in the car community when it comes to shops. So definitely, if you're in the Charlotte area, be sure to give them a call and see what it is they can do for you. I know, I've been a little bit slow with the M4 videos, and it's really mostly just because I've been saving up for one big project that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be diving into the performance really in just one big jump. I'm going to go from completely stock to not, and I'm going to, in my next video, go into a little bit more detail on what those next steps are, what we're going to be doing, where we're going to be doing it, and pretty much what we're going to be looking at as kind of our outcome. Everything, of course, is going to be done by EuroMpire, so huge thank you to them for squeezing me in here so we're going to be able to get everything taken care of. But just be patient with me. I'm going to have the videos out. Once we get everything taken care of, I'm going to have kind of my plan is a broken up videos of everything together. But there's a few other things that I do have in the works as well, cosmetically, that I still have to put out as well. So once again, I just want to quickly sum up this video. Guys, I really do appreciate every single one of you that do subscribe to the channel. You have no idea how grateful I am for just being at 500 subscribers. I never thought that even 100 people would want to watch my content, and trust me, I feel like my content is lacking. I really do try to improve myself every single day, and just you guys being here, supporting me, communicating, and just engaging with my content means the world to me. I always make it a point that if anybody comments on my video, I always be sure to reply to them within 24 hours. If you guys ever have questions, do not hesitate to ever comment down in the descriptions or anything. I always leave links to everything to try to be as helpful as possible. I'm also on other platforms, Instagram and TikTok. Be sure to go check out some of that other content as well. But like I said, guys, I'm super grateful for every single one of you. Be sure to stick around for more content. I've got a ton coming. We're going to be diving into performance stuff very soon. Look out for the next video. I'm going to be going over what our next steps are and what our next big project's going to be with the M4. I'm pretty much this close to having it done. And then I'm going to be heading on vacation here shortly after filming and editing this video. So heading up to New York for several days. Going to enjoy some time off. Work has been stressful, so it's definitely much needed. But as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Oh yeah, BMW Invasion, February 19th in Orlando. We're all going to be there. The whole gang is going. So be sure to look out for us. Look out for this brand. If you see us, come say hey, shake our hands. I always love meeting people, but I'll see you guys there.